QuadLife, freeing the disabled. One of the most ingenious clamps is our Clamp 360 2.0. It attaches to a horizontal surface and comes standard with our turret head. Do you own a tray on wheels? Well, it probably has a lip around the perimeter so that things don't fall off. We designed a clamp that bypasses this lip by going around it and connecting directly to the desk's surface. And like all of our clamps, there are two optional studs for connecting your flexible arm. Snap the end of the arm in place, lock it, and place the arm with your QuadJoy to your desired position. Clamp 360 2.0. Our website is quad.life, and our email is QuadJoy@gmail.com. QuadLife, freeing the disabled.